The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or allied person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So you know that I have come after a long time. Anyway, so in this video I'm gonna let you know that how you can get up to 15,000 organic traffic to your website. So to see that how it works, let's subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates where we share a lot of methods and tips related to digital marketing. So I hope you will follow this group. So with let's start the video. So at first you have to come over a Twitter account. I think you should have a Twitter account of your own. Anyway, so after you come over to your Twitter account, you will see at the right hand side there are some options that a topic called entertainment and business, sports. So those are the trending topics, and if you click on show more, you will see there are some more tabs here where you will find out trending topics related to your selected country that you signed up. Anyway, so after that you will see three more options here in the same tab. You will see the sports option and entertainment section as well. So in sports there are lots of tweets you can see, and same for if you just click on entertainment, you will see same here. We'll get a lot of tweets for entertainment as well. So if we just try to find out a specific country trending topics, so here we can use this site called getdaytrends.com. so after you come over to this site, you have to select your chosen country. Here we are going with India. So here when we click on India, we can see the trending tweets in just 24 hours ago. If we just click on the date for any specific, we will see the trending topic of that day as well. So we are going with the current hashtag which get trend in Twitter. So this is called a daily blast. So you can see there are a lot of top tweets with that keyword, I mean with that hashtags, and getting much more likes and comment. And if you see there are some short video clips. So if you just click on videos, you will see there are a lot of short video clips which are less than 2 minutes or 1 minute and getting views more than 1,000. So these are the trick we are gonna use. So it goes with trending topics like where it's related to entertainment or celebrities or sports. So in sports, here in last some days ago, there was a match between India and England, a test match. So if we just search with that keyword and we find out there are so many video clips, short video clips with that keyword, and those are getting much more views. So we try with that clips. We just have to download that clips and upload in our raw YouTube channel. Okay, we have to upload those videos, those Twitter videos in our YouTube channel, our raw YouTube channel. So you can see in this channel, like this channel, okay, you can see this channel upload a lot of clips from Twitter. You can see less than 30 second here, not 1 minute, less than 30-second videos, and getting views more than more than 100k million views and 15k views. So we are going to do the same, exactly same, and in the dashboard, in the description of that video, we are going to give our website link. So this one we use, and the other trick we are going to use the WhatsApp status videos. Here you can see the videos less than 30 seconds and less than 1 minute. These videos are from any famous dialogues from a movie or famous song lines. Here you can see these are just some song lines and here we can use this to get more traffic in our website. You can see this video gets 10,000 views and so many likes. So if you just give your website link here, and you will get half of the traffic from these videos. And if you just check this excuse me, if you just check the stats here, you will see this channel is growing very good. And if you are scared of getting copyright issues, so doesn't matter, you are going to get it, you are going to use that site for your website visitors. So you have to give your website link in your description. So it's not we are going to use for our monetization for our YouTube channel. So anyway, so you can see the website we are getting 15,000 monthly traffic, and most of the traffic we are getting from YouTube. So I hope you like and you understand this video. So if you don't understand, you can just comment here in our in this video. And if I hope you will also like my other YouTube channel called Nick. Here I upload videos related to my language called Bangla. So you can also support show your support to this channel. And from today I will also be continuing in this channel as well. So thank you.